Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're on a journey to lose weight, and you're wondering what to eat for breakfast that's actually healthy, delicious, and satisfying, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 3 easy and healthy breakfast recipes that can help you stay on track with your goals. No crash diets, no starving, just real balanced meals that taste amazing. Let's get right into it. 1. Protein-packed oats bowl. This one's my go-to when I need something warm, filling, and super quick to make. Here's what you'll need. Half a cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half a banana sliced, 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, a teaspoon of peanut butter, optional, chia seeds or cinnamon for a little extra boost. Start by cooking the oats with almond milk over medium heat. Once it's creamy and soft, remove it from the heat and stir in your protein powder. Add the sliced banana on top, and finish it off with a spoonful of peanut butter. It's packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, so it'll keep you full and satisfied all morning long. And if you like a little crunch, sprinkle some chia seeds or a dash of cinnamon for flavor and texture. 2. Upgraded avocado toast. Let's level up your usual avocado toast with this simple but satisfying version. It's nutrient-dense, filling, and full of flavor. Here's what you need. 1 slice of whole grain or sprouted grain bread, half an avocado, 1 boiled or poached egg, a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of chili flakes or everything bagel seasoning. Toast your bread until it's nice and crisp. In a small bowl, mash the avocado with a little lemon juice for freshness. Spread it over the toast, top it with the egg, and finish with chili flakes or seasoning of your choice. This recipe is high in healthy fats, complex carbs, and protein. It keeps your blood sugar stable and gives you lasting energy. For an extra bite, try adding a few cherry tomatoes or a handful of arugula. 3. Greek yogurt parfait. This one feels like dessert, but it's actually a balanced, high-protein breakfast that takes less than 5 minutes to make. You'll need 1 cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, a handful of fresh or frozen berries, 1 tablespoon of low-sugar granola, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup, totally optional. Start layering yogurt on the bottom, followed by berries, a sprinkle of granola. Then repeat. You can adjust the layers depending on how hungry you are. Finish with a tiny drizzle of honey if you like it a little sweeter. It's creamy, crunchy, fruity, all the textures in one bowl. And thanks to the yogurt, it's full of protein and probiotics, which support digestion and help you stay fuller longer. Want to make it ahead? Just prep it the night before and store it in a jar, perfect for grab-and-go mornings. And there you have it, 3 easy, healthy breakfasts that taste great and support your weight loss goals. No complicated ingredients, no long prep times, just simple food that fuels your body right. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try first. And if you want more recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.